Right now, here's a screenshot of my Chase account. My goal is to turn that money that I have in my Chase account into 15K by the end of March.
Alright guys, last video I said snowblower came in. I'm gonna build it real quick.
I woke up pretty early today to lock in. It was honestly kind of slow at the beginning. I was just messaging clients and trying to get new leads, but it just seemed like nothing was going in my favor until this happened. I checked my Gmail and this woman reached out to me. So we texted a little bit and I actually offered her a bunch of bundles, and this was the call we had.
I'm locked in. Check out this.
Hello,
Hey, how you doing?
your option B that you set up for seasoning. All right,
Yep.
and I can get do mulch delivery and all that stuff.
Right.
Okay. Yeah, last year I had a couple of high school. They did not, and they stood me up all summer.
Really?
So I ended up at, I'm 70 and running around with a lot of work left on.
Yeah, I can imagine.
So I was wondering, with your seasonal estimate, how many hours or how are you thinking of bundling the time then?
The seasonal bundle covers everything, so I would have to go and check to be specific with time. But you wouldn't have to worry about time. I would just get it done. Go over there, get it done, whatever you want, and whatever you provide me with.
It really needs to be cut back. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I get what you're saying. Yeah, so if you get the seasonal plan, that would cover like absolutely everything. And we could rotate. You could just like let me know whenever you would want me to come, and we can get that done easily.
Okay, all right. Because that's what.
Once you get the whole plan, I would have you in my schedule, and you could just like let me know. I could give you times whenever I could come to your house, and we could like discuss more whenever the time comes.
Sounds fantastic. This is what I was looking for. Do you do Venmo, or how do you process payments?
I do Venmo and I do Zelle, whatever works for you.
But I can send you a deposit or something like that for the spring, or something like $600 or something like that.
Yeah. Just stay in touch, and we'll talk more in the future.
Absolutely, wonderful.
Yeah.
So much for getting back to me. You have a great week, man.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Thanks to you too. Have a good one. Bye.
Oh my god, bro.
Wait, bro, let me test my girl. Bro, what the fuck, bro? What the fuck? Honestly, what the fuck?
I can't believe that just happened. I closed a $1,700 deal. $1,750. Honestly, just amazing. I thought it was a lost day, and we up again, bro. With that money added, that leaves us at $4,800. We would need $10,200, which is very good. It's actually very good. We're making good progress. We're getting there, bro. Stay tuned to the videos. I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe right now. Follow the journey. I need $136 a day for me to be able to finish the challenge. I think I can do it. I think I'll pull it off, and I know that I will achieve the goal that I had in mind. Again, stay tuned to the videos. Like and subscribe, bro. Peace.
She say